everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. It's a hot summer days and it's a time for ice cream, and this is the perfect almond ice cream, and it's not store bought, and it's made in my kitchen in easy steps. Super rich, super delicious, so good. Very delicious. This ice cream, I'm going to make it with half and half milk, and it's very easy, and I'm going to share with you how it's easy you can make it at home. Within 6 hours, you can have your best ice cream of your life. And without wasting any time, let's get started. So good. Half and half. Going to bring the milk to boil and then add almonds. So we're going to add into mortar and pestle, and we're going to break them into smaller pieces. Then we're going to dry roast them, so it will taste good. This is a roasted almond powder, 2 tablespoons, condensed milk, and 4 green cardamom. I'm going to use only seeding inside. Grind it really in a pottery. So let's get started. First step, we'll break it. We don't have to crush it really that hard. Just break into like 4 or 5 pieces. So this will be good. If there is any bigger one, we can take it out, but this is perfect. The green cardamom, take the skin off. I'll show you one. This is what we need. So this is the last one, and as you can see, some of these are black one and the brown one. So this is, we're going to discard it. Sure that we make it nice smooth powder. So as you can see, this is what we need. Let's start making our delicious almond ice cream or badam ice cream. Get a pot, and we're going to start gas. This is half and half milk. If you don't have half and half milk, you can use a regular milk. This is the half and half. This is a perfect and easiest and the simplest method to make ice cream. And as soon as it starts boil, we're going to add all the stuff inside. So it's a good idea to stir it occasionally so it won't get burned. As soon as it boils up, we'll add other things. And in the meantime it's boiling, we're going to start another burner, get a fry pan, and we're going to add almonds. And these we're going to dry roast. Bring your flame really low. You need like a minute or so once they dry roasted, and that's good. This side, keep stirring. I'm going to use this saffron, which we call kesar. This is strictly optional. If you don't have it, please skip it. As soon as we put the milk, we're going to put this many strands. So this many thread will be perfect, and now we can mix it and we can cook until it's nicely boiled. And as you can see, it start to leave the color, so it will give us nice color. As the milk started to boil, bring your gas low. This is all we need. Once it's boiled, it came up all the way. Now bring your gas low, and now we're going to add almond powder, roasted almond, the condensed milk. Now on a low gas, we're going to keep it mixing. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to add lychee, the cardamom powder. Mix it well. This is going to give us nice flavor. We're going to cook it a little more so that it can get thickened. And once it's get a little thickened, then we're going to turn off the gas. So now it's very important that keep it moving so that it won't get burned at the bottom. This is how our milk looks. Now it's kind of thickened. Now I'm going to turn off the gas, and we're going to let it cool down. The milk is cooled down. This is all we need. Our pot's ready, and what we'll place inside the pot. So make sure that we're going to scoop out. Now we'll take this one to our freezer. Now we're going to open the freezer. So we place right inside. So once we place it, now we're going to put it back and push it in and close it. Now we're going to let it sit for 2 hours. I'm going to check it. Yes, it's frozen. Let me share with you. This is how it looks after 2 hours. It's kind of frozen, but it's not fully frozen. I'll break it up like this. Make sure that it's nicely combined. In 2 hours, as you can see, it was frozen on top, and now I break it open and I mix it well. So once it's nicely combined, after mixing it, now I'll get the plastic wrap. Just place it on top, and we're going to tap it like this. So there will be no more air. So we're going to make sure that we press it all the way like this. After putting the plastic, now we'll take this one to freezer and we'll keep it for 4 hours. It's always a good idea to leave it overnight, but within 6 hours you have your ice cream ready. Only thing you need to do after 2 hours, you mix it, then you get a better results. So open the freezer. This time we'll keep it 4 hours. Longer the better. After 6 hours, we're going to have our ice cream ready. Another 4 hours. So altogether we put it in freezer for 6 hours. So we'll take it out. And this one looks nice and firm. So let me share with you. I'll take the plastic wrap. And if we look at the ice cream, wow, it's nice. So if you leave it overnight, that is the perfect. But in my freezer, within 6 hours, look at this, how delicious. Mix it after 2 hours. This is nice. Please try it at home and everyone going to like it. This is better than a restaurant. As you've seen, it is so easy to make ice cream at home, and this is better than a restaurant. Once you make it at home, and you're going to like it, and you're never going to buy ice cream from outside. This is very tasty. I'm going to taste it. So delicious. Very tasty. Super delicious. Please try it. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.